أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه أستعين في جميع الأمور رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم اللهم إن كان رزقي في السماء أنزله أو في الأرض فأخرجه أو بعيدا فقربه أو قريبا فيسره أو قليلا فكثره أو كثيرا فبارك لنا فيه برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. My name is Dr. Mufaddal Mirza. I am a chemical engineer, food scientist, and professor of climate smart entrepreneurship with the mission to inculcate the principles of Al-Tijarat Al-Rabiha taught to us by our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he operated the business of the benchmark businesswoman Maulatuna Khadijatul Kubra, the mother of Maulatana Fatimatul Zahra, to transform the mothers of our world into benchmark entrepreneurs like Maulatana Khadija. So Rasulullah operated the business as per Al-Tijaratul Rabiha principle, earned double the profit. Everyone else who was doing business for Maulatana Khadija made the profits of 10 times, but Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam actually made 20 times more profit and delighted Maulatana Khadija and won her heart, and they got married. And a benchmark couple actually taught the world how a benchmark family life can be established and enjoy total quality life in every moment of the married life. So our mission is to assure that 2 billion mothers and all educated, graduate mothers and ladies are enrolled in Global Executive MBA in Climate Smart Tayyab Entrepreneurship to inculcate the principles of Al-Tijaratul Rabiha with an investment of 5,300 people's gold coin. One people's gold coin is equivalent to 0.025 gram gold, which is equal to 2 Canadian dollars. To operate a business or elevate the business to $1 million business as graduation requirement of Gamba in climate smart entrepreneurship. So we are executing this project in Canada, Uganda, Kenya, and Pakistan through SAMS TQLMA Global, a unique company with 0 employees and associates. The global associates forms the project teams, executes the project, and earns benchmark return on investment. And the investors who invest their savings in SAM's Climate Smart Fund is rewarded with 72% of the net profits of the project. The project which we are currently engaged in is to build SAM's Wheel of Life Pyrapod farm schools in center of a cluster of academic institutions ideally in a farm or in a site provided by the government or provided by the owner of the land, whom we will do joint venture agreement with to build this campus and this campus will be built by the Gamba mothers who will be trained in climate smart construction technologies and climate smart immunity boosting food will be cooked from the climate smart ingredients grown in our Wheel of Life Farm School and served in our 724 restaurant in every farm school, which will be part of every farm school. And the farm school will also be providing ingredients to the community restaurants so everyone can serve climate smart immunity boosting food to the community families and residents. With this model, we should be able to provide this climate smart immunity boosting food and herbal treatments in our healthcare center, which will also be part of Wheel of Life Farm School to combat COVID-19 by providing clean home, education, and food to all families of our world. The month of Rabiul Thani, 1442, is a blessed month for our family. As I was born on 16th of this month, my Hafizul Quran daughter Rashida was born on 15th. And in this month, our beloved leader, my coach, guide, Sayyidina Muhammad Burhanuddin, was also born on 20th of this month. So this is a blessed month, and we would like to provide the gift, the birthday gift, to all Gamba mothers by making SAM's holochain 5-gram gold. They will be making it in our gem and jewelry department of Wheel of Life Farm School. It will be a climate smart jewelry manufacturing facility, and it will be operated by the mothers, and they will be making this gift of SAM's holochain 5-gram gold coins, which we will distribute to all the Gamba students. I'm distributing this gift, to celebrate the wedding of my daughter. So the gift will also have R and M written in the coin, which is the initials of my daughter Rashida and her husband Mustafa. So these coins will be available as a gift to all the mothers. We are planning to enroll 53,000 mothers in our Gambine Climate Smart Entrepreneurship Program to cover, to build these self-sustaining communities in Pakistan, Uganda, Kenya, and Canada. We'll also be setting up a climate smart industrial park in Houston, Texas, to manufacture the components of our Wheel of Life farm schools, so that that can be assembled by the mothers in their communities. So that is a plan for North America. We will be also, setting up an industrial park campus in Pakistan as well as in Uganda to manufacture the components locally and then provide the components so that these self-sustaining communities can be assembled with agility to provide home to all the homeless and refugees of our planet. So this is our unique program. A benchmark consultation services will be available to all residents of our planet who joins TQLMA Club with one People's Gold Coin, PGC, and they will be able to enjoy services like the North American families enjoy by acquiring total quality products from Sam's Club. So on the model of Sam's Club, TQLMA Club has been created, and all TQLMA Club members will also receive all products and services, climate smart products and services from our experts at members price. So return on investment for your membership amount is also guaranteed, and all your investment which you do, we are guaranteeing benchmark return on investment by providing 72% of our net profits to all the people who park their savings into our Sam's Climate Smart Fund. All Muslims can also acquire the Sa'adat of Hajj by parking 5300 PGC in Sam's Climate Smart Fund to earn a sustainable income as well as the Sa'adat of Hajj. So all these blessings are available to everyone. So join TQLMA Club with $2 to start this journey of innovative, climate smart, inflation-free entrepreneurship. Thank you very much for your time. Translate this message in all languages, and so that everybody can understand the message and join the TQLMA Club and enjoy total quality life. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.